Good afternoon. My name is SIRISHA N R. I completed my graduation in the year of 2022 under the stream Electronics and Communication in MS Engineering College, and after that I joined for the Qspiders. Qspiders is a good platform where we can take a training and placements, and I have learned manual testing and Selenium, Java and SQL, and manual testing and SQL from the Uma Shankar sir, and code Java from the Chidambaram sir, and Selenium from the Mopama. Thank you all the faculties who teach me all the subjects and who solve in problem solving. They have helped me, and I will be thanked for the HR team who added for the requirements, and I got placed in the Mindsprint company with a package of 4.5 LPA.